Hi. This is literally like my favorite season. Like I love October. I love anything spooky and scary and just like all of the spoopy stuff, and I've missed over half of it and I'm very sad. But I did put on, like, this is like the only, can you imagine, I love like spooky scary stuff, and like this is the only like hold on, this is like the only thing that I have that's like spoopy. But that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to there's no point. So as you saw in the thumbnail and the title of this video, this is going to be an eyeshadow inspired look, which is why I already did my base except for my highlighter, because everybody knows how to do their base and whatever. So we're going to be starting off with priming my eyes. I did put concealer on my eyes, but it dried down, so I want like more of a sticky base. I'm going to take this NYX concealer and I'm just going to apply that. Because I feel bad for not filming, I did decide that I'm going to post every day for the last 7 days of this month. So every day up until Halloween and on Halloween. You know what I'm saying? So Thursday all the way until Wednesday. I'm gonna like uncomfortably wobble towards you. I'm gonna take a crease brush. I'm gonna take a crease brush and this orange eyeshadow right here, and I'm going to go in without setting the concealer, and I'm going to just pat this in, going a little bit higher, or a lot of bit, because apparently I don't know what a little bit is. Bringing that all the way around the entire eye from inner corner to outer corner. And then with a blending brush, I'm going to take a lighter orange and blend it out. Why do I not have a mirror? What is mirror achieved? Apparently we're just gonna blend it all the way up to the brow bone, because I don't. Okay. Then I'm gonna take a flat shader brush and go into that concealer, and I'm only gonna just clean up like where my non-existent eyelid is, because I'm going to be putting a color there later. So this is going to be cleaning it up and then also acting as a base for the shadow that I'm gonna put on top of it, because it's gonna make it more pigmented. Yeah, nailed it. So if we're looking at like my actual lid, like that is literally all the space I have for my actual lid. And then that's my crease. And then that's just like for my actual like lid, not like this lid, but like lid. Okay. I'm gonna take a different flat shader brush and I'm gonna go into this black right here, because black don't crack. That was lame. But it's true though. Have you seen, like, there's been like so many posts of this one like black lady, and she's like over 50, and girl, she look good. Black don't crack. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. There ain't nothing wrong with wanting a little chocolate in your life. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. So I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow and I'm going to set the By the way, this makeup look was not my idea. I stole it off Google. Okay, don't give me credit for this. This is not my idea. My Think Meat did not create this. So, there you go. And I'm going to take that same brush with that same black and just smudge that along the bottom portion of my lower lash line. And bring it all the way into the inner corner also. Now we're gonna take that same orange that we used in the crease, smudge it along your lower lash line as well, but bringing it down further. Okay, Jesus, I cannot speak. And connect it up to that crease that to this. Okay, connect it to this. And then taking that same lighter shade that we used to blend out the edges, we're gonna blend out the edges. Okay, so this is what we got so far. Now, to really pull this look together, we are going to use a black liquid eyeliner, or you know, whatever eyeliner you want, and we're gonna make little bats all around the look so that it's a look, you know what I mean? No, neither do I, honestly. So I'm scared. Oh, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Intense Inkwood eyeliner, by the way. Okay, so this one's name is Jeffrey. He is a disappointment. This eyeliner is so difficult to like, cause like on my hand, it's like, boom, it swatches so nicely, but then when I try to put it on top of the eyeshadow, it's just like not there. Somebody recommended this this eyeliner, and it's not good, so I'm just gonna, it looks a lot better on camera than it does in person, trust me. That is a lot harder than you think it is. Now I'm just gonna put on my Ardell Double Up Demi Wispies, and that'll be it for this eye. Okay, so other eye is done. They're all kind of disasters, but you know what? You know what? They're all named Jeffrey, and they're all kind of disasters. Sophia, I'm sorry. I have failed you, Bat Queen. I'm sorry. Take my forgiveness. I mean, for not having a black liquid eyeliner and only having like this very not matte liquid lipstick that slides around everywhere, it's pretty okay. I mean, it's still kind of garbage, but it's not like garbage. It's like, it's not like dollar store garbage bags. It's like Glad Safeway garbage bags. You know what I'm saying? It's not quite the Glad trash bags with the Febreze in it, but it's just the regular Glad bags that you can get at Safeway. Apply this black. And now, because I don't really have any crazy colors of highlighter other than blue, let's try this white because reasons. Oh wow, it's non-existent, cool. The white is in the LA Colors highlighting palette, by the way, the trio. Okay, so this is it for my spoopy Halloween makeup look for day number 1. Okay, we still got 6 more days, so that's all I had for this video. If you liked it, then good for you, and I will see you in my next one, aka tomorrow.